try out the soft land. First time using it with.
You're a beast.
You do me like you do. That's it, tube.
Is that just regular PVC?
Schedule 40. Yeah, that's it, tube. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget, like, share, subscribe to the channel, and remind Nate to tell me when things are broken. I mean, he almost knocked the guy out yesterday. He didn't even call me. Like, hey boss, like, I hit Channy in the ear and almost knocked his ass out, and nothing. Just told him to go sit on the side of the house, drink some water, get back in the game, champ. Thanks for watching.